Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable install alerts notification on Best Buy account. So first we're going to go to the Best Buy app. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on manage communications. So as you can see, there's the install alerts section. Their notifications are turned on, so you're going to turn it off. So from now on, you won't receive updates on your selected restocks and pre-orders. So that's how you do it. We also have a video on how to turn it on, so make sure you guys check it out. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, search out for Shopping app. We also have different videos in our How to Tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.